Were you denied an SBA loan? No worries. Today, I'm going to tell you about some great alternatives. Also, I'm going to shed some light on a few reasons why you might have been denied. Stay tuned. Thanks for returning back to the channel. Now, before we get started, press that like button and save this video. You definitely will want to reference back to it, and you might want to help a friend. All right, so first I want to talk about one of the most common reasons people are denied SBA loans, and that's credit. All right, so regardless to what the SBA said during the emergency disaster, all right, of COVID, people were still denied SBA emergency funds and SBA loans today because of credit. The SBA wants you to have close to squeaky clean credit, like 700 and above. All right. So now say you even have a 700 and above now. Sometimes the SBA might say no because you had a foreclosure or a bankruptcy. And now this could be 5, 6, 7 years ago. It still could be considered, or you could still be considered as a risky borrower. All right, the next reason a lot of people were denied SBA loans is that they don't have enough credit history. All right, so maybe their credit is too new. For instance, someone who lived with relatives and didn't really have a landlord or didn't own a home, and maybe they just started building credit in the last 2 years. That would be considered too new. All right, so you definitely want to have 10 credit lines, 10 positive credit lines reporting. All right, so enough about that. Let's talk about the alternatives. That's what we're here for, right? All right, so the first lender I want to talk about is National Business Capital. Now, if you have a thriving business, okay, say your business is doing very well and you want a line of credit just to have that cushion in case something does happen with this recession, or the news says we're not in a recession, but we know we feel it. But say you just want a line of credit for your business, all right? Click the link below. My partnership with National Business Capital allows people to get lines of credit up to $250,000. So check that link below. If you have any questions or comments about what you've heard so far, leave them in the comment section. I would love to hear your point of view and your thoughts. Secondly, if you are a business owner with pretty decent credit and say your business is bringing in at least $5,000 a month, all right, so you could apply for a term loan or a cash advance. All right, now my partnership with Rock Financial, which the link is going to be right down here below, go ahead and click on that. Now, term loan means you can get up to 24 months to pay the balance back. So if you want to expand your business, if there are some new opportunities or advertising that you need to do, you might want to look into getting a term loan. Now, this company allows you to get $10,000 up to $100,000 fast funding, okay? So now these are term loans too. So it's not, a daily pay or weekly pay. You would be able to, some of the programs do allow up to 24 months for you to pay the balance back. So check the description box below. I will have the link for you to apply with Rock Financial right down here below. And again, it's 10K up to 100K. And the requirement is that now to qualify for any of the funding, your business needs to be generating at least $5,000 a month in sales. All right, sales revenue. So now, if you're not following me yet on Instagram, I'll put that name right here. Go ahead and follow because I'm posting on Instagram every single day. Last but not least, the third lender I want to talk about is NYLA Funding. Now, NYLA Funding, my partnership there, allows you to get same day up to $25,000. All right. Now, these are cash advances, meaning that you would need to have an income revenue producing business. All right. So your business, to qualify for any, cash advance at all, your business does need to generate at least $5,000 a month. And now, if you want to hear about some options for, people who don't have a business checking account, only have a personal, but only making $3,000 a month, you can leave a comment below and I will let you know how to get funded for that too. All right, that is it for today. So if you've been denied an SBA loan or you never even applied because you didn't feel you had a chance, then go ahead and apply for one of the lenders in the description box below, because you can get your business funded fast. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video about alternatives for people who got denied SBA loans. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if this is your first time here. This is the place for business funding, entrepreneurship, and real estate. And I'm Katina Willis. I'll see you next time. See you on the next video.